grilled tilapia with Marsala butter. Need I say more? Stay tuned. Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. As our grill is heating up, let's get the Marsala butter ready for our grilled tilapia with Marsala butter. In my Starfrit, the Rock pot, I'm going to get that on low heat and melt some butter. Now I'm going to start throwing ingredients at you, but not amounts. That's okay, my dear friends. There is a recipe. Down below in the description section, you'll find a link. Take you to galleyofthesun.com where you'll find the full recipe. Once that butter is fully melted, in goes our diced cremini mushrooms and our diced shallot. Some salt and our minced garlic. We're going to cook these for about 10 minutes until they're good and caramelized, stirring frequently. Now it's time to prepare our tilapia fillets. So we're going to hit them with some olive oil for two reasons. One, so our seasoning has something to stick to. Number two, so they don't stick to the grill. Now we'll get them seasoned up with two seasons. First of all, Cattleman's Grill Cajun Fusion. And then some good Old Bay. Don't go for the new Bay stuff. Stay with the old school.
Absolutely.
We will flip our fillets and do the other side. Our mushrooms and shallots and garlic have been cooking for about 10 minutes. Now we're going to add the Marsala and stir continuously until it reduces by about half. Should take about 30 seconds. Oh, if you could smell this incredible stuff. Now we add the remainder of our butter and mix this until it's all melted. Grill preheat is done. Make sure you spray it. And on goes our fish. We're going to let those go for about 3 minutes and then we'll check their temperature. We're looking for an internal temperature about 145. You get it too high, your fish is dry. You get it too low and the fish critters are still in there. Make you sick. You don't want that. To our Marsala butter, we're going to add a little bit of pepper. Check the temp on our fish. Good. Good. And we'll start pulling them off. Now for the finishing touches. Into our butter goes a little bit of parsley, finely minced. And then that mixture goes over our fish. And there you have it, some delicious grilled tilapia with Marsala butter. Let's get some judgment. All right, it's time for the moment of truth. From the Tilapia Technical College in Tutumcari, I bring you Rowan.
Hello.
Good judge. She isn't shy about taking a tiny bite.
Oh wow, that's such a smooth, good, harmonious flavor to it. Without, and so, because I'm not a huge fish person, without it being too fishy. And what's on the top of it?
It is sauteed mushrooms, shallots, garlic, Marsala wine, and butter.
Yeah, that really complements the fish so well. So well, it's so good.
All right, there you go. Give this a try. It was easy to prepare. It only took me 40 minutes from start to finish. So great for even a lunch. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. Till we see you next time. Fair winds and following seas.